Hello everybody. Here in this video you will be learning about circles, and the first concept in this chapter is that radius is perpendicular to tangent. So perpendicular means there is an angle of 90 degree between radius and tangent. So in the diagram CA is the radius and this is a tangent. So the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to radius through the point of contact. This is the first concept. Now the second one. In the second concept you will observe that P is an external point, and from this external point on the circle there are tangents drawn, and the tangents are always equal. So tangents are equal. PA equals to PB. This is the main thing which you should memorize. So the length of tangent drawn from external point to a circle are equal. Now coming to the type 1. So in this type 1 you will see that the angle which are formed between these two tangents PA and PB is double of the angle formed between the radius OA and AB chord. Okay, so if we want to prove this, then we have to consider angle APB equals X, and here you can also observe that PA is equals to PB. They are the tangents from external point. P is an external point, and that's why we can say angle PAB is equals to angle PBA, because angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal, and this condition is valid in isosceles triangle. And here we can say that triangle APB is an isosceles triangle, and that's why, because it is a triangle, so we can use angle sum property. By angle sum property in triangle APB, we can say that angle X, not angle X, this is considered as X, APB plus angle PAB plus angle PBA equals to 180 degree. And we know from equation number 1, this is your equation number 1. So from equation number 1 we can say that PAB is equal to PBA, and that's why X plus angle PAB multiplied 2 equals to 180. So that's why X equals, or not, X equals 180 minus X upon 2 equals angle PAB. Now you can also see here that OAB plus angle BAP is equals to 90 degree. This complete angle is 90 degree through concept number 1, that is radius is perpendicular to tangent. Here OA is perpendicular to PA. That's why we can also say that OAB plus BAP. So complete angle is of 90 degree. So that's why if I substitute the value OAB plus PAB value, if I substitute here, it is 180 minus X upon 2 equals 90. And on further solving you will get angle OAB equals 1 upon 2x, and here x is P, x is APB. hence proved. Now there is a second type also, which I will be discussing in the next video, and through this there are many other types, like type 3 also there, type 4 also. So I have subdivided the questions, which I will be discussing in the next video.